Hi everyone, for today I'm going to show you guys how to download Microsoft Excel for Mac. To do so, you're going to want to log into your WP Connect, and once you do that, up on the top corner by your name, you're just going to want to go to WPU NJ apps, and once you press that, go down to Microsoft Office. Once you press that, another tab will be opened, and we wait. And here you'll have an option to install Office if you have a newer Mac. If you don't, you want to download Office 365 for older versions of MacBook. In my case, I'm going to press Install Office, and it's going to be downloading to my computer. Okay, once downloaded, you want to double click and open it, and it's installed.